Come on, it's just a bunch of hocus pocus.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Malia Marie, and in today's video, I'm going to be recreating Halloween makeup. Now, before we get right into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so if you know a little bit about me, or if you've seen from my other videos, you know that I'm not a makeup influencer. So I had to go to the store to go buy some makeup, and I went to Five Below specifically because I wasn't trying to go to a whole actual makeup store. Okay, starting off with the first look that we're gonna go over is I want to recreate the cheetah. And what's that song? That song that goes, I'm not even gonna sing it, but yeah, that song. And I'm just gonna look at her to kind of recreate it and see how I can do it, because I don't know, it doesn't seem too hard, but I think I can recreate this. Okay, so what she does first is basically she does like these little C's. It's like that. Y'all, is that too big? Okay, so I'm gonna try making a couple more and I'll come right back to you guys because I just want to make sure I'm doing it right. Okay, so this is how the top looks. I don't know if I did like this first one too big. So in the video, she did it right here, and then she did some in like her lower cheek area. Gosh, should I do both sides? I'm so confused. I'm just gonna continue one side because she did one side of her face. Okay guys, so I did my lower chin area, and why is it kind of eating? Why is it kind of eating, guys? Like, it actually doesn't look that bad. I don't know if I should do the other side. I'm gonna do both sides because why not? Okay guys, so I did the other side, and I don't know, the other side you can kind of just tell that I wasn't as dedicated as this side. She adds some brown to her, like, she adds a bit of color, brown to her, like the cheetah print, but I'm already brown skin, guys, so I don't think it's necessary for me to add it. But let's try to find a color that's suitable. I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is, you can tell like a little bit. Okay guys, so I added it, and I think, yeah, you can tell a little bit. But I'm using this brown shade to kind of fill in the spots. I'm probably gonna make it a little bit darker. Okay guys, I'm back. You guys can like clearly tell which side that I tried the most on. Now that we got that down, we're gonna do the nose part. Basically what she does is kind of just mark it. She doesn't really say a specific way. So I'm gonna just circle my nose, and then I'm gonna shade it in. Okay guys, the nose definitely brings it together. I don't know if I should go more out, but like, guys, the nose actually looks really cute. And after that, she puts a line towards her nose, and I already have that like line thing, so I'm just gonna follow that. Oh my goodness, guys, why did I already eat the first makeup look? Like, I'm really about to turn into a makeup artist. The next thing she does is she lines the lips, but she does a lighter color, and I don't really want to do a lighter color. I'm gonna keep it black to kind of keep that cheetah look. I'm gonna line my lips. And I don't know if I should make it like pointy. Yo, no! I got makeup on my favorite leggings. Y'all, we completed the look. Actually, oh, she added whiskers, guys. So I'm gonna use this eyeliner and try to make dots with it. Okay guys, so the next thing she does also is she adds eyeliner in the corner of her eyes. Guys, I am not good at this. Y'all, if I add this eyeliner to my eye, this is gonna ruin the whole makeup look. Y'all, this is the best it's gonna get, because if I add eyeliner, it's going to mess it up. Lastly, she has some mascara, so we're gonna add some mascara on. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. To get a closer look, this is how it looks up in camera. Blonde. comment down below what you rate this first one that I did. Guys, y'all, I'm not gonna post this because, like, obviously, but when Halloween comes around, I can roast it. Let's move on to makeup number 2. Okay, so this is the next look we're gonna do. So instead of cheetah, wait, last one was cheetah, right? Instead of cheetah, now we're gonna do tiger. And I'm gonna wash this off my face really quick and I'll come right back to you guys. All right, so my face is now clean and let's get started on makeup look number 2. I'm looking at my color palette and I don't know what colors I should use. I'm gonna go in with the orange first and just see how it looks. Don't play with me. I don't know if it's because I should add some white. Y'all, I'm gonna try adding orange to my skin and just hoping for the best. Guys, this is not working. The orange is not working on my skin. I don't know if it's just because my skin color or because the color is just really not as vibrant, but it's not popping up at all. Okay, so the next thing she does is she focuses on the stripes. Okay guys, so as you can see, the makeup look is kind of not going right. So as you can see in the video, guys, she makes it thicker stripes. So that's what we're gonna do to my face. Okay, so she's basically making it thicker. So I'm just gonna add another line and fill it in. Guys, no. I don't know what's different from mine than hers. I don't know what happened. I sharpened my pencil and I don't know why hers line is looking better than mine. But we're gonna continue. So she did the nose. Okay, so the next thing she does is she adds white, I think white concealer, I'm pretty sure, to her eyes. If this messes up the makeup look, even though the concealer is not making that much of a remark on my face, I'm still just gonna add it. But yeah, so she adds white, a bit of brown. Instead of adding brown, I'm gonna add this shade. Oh wait, guys, wait, maybe you can see it a little bit, the orange. Okay guys, so I added more powder. I just kind of didn't blend it in because then you won't be able to notice as much. But y'all can kind of tell now. So now what we're gonna do is the eyeliner part. Is that too curvy? Guys, this is the best I can do. From afar, it looks fine. Afar looks fine. I don't know if I should make it more dramatic. I'm gonna try doing the other side. Y'all, why are the two sides not the same? But now that we did these sides, I'm gonna try to do the inner side now. Guys, don't piss me off. Why did this part mess up? Okay guys, so this is the best that I'm able to do for the tiger. This is hers and this is mine. But this is how it looks for look number 2. And let's move on to makeup look number 3. And the next makeup look that we're going to be going for is the Joker. Alright, so the first thing that we're probably going to do is the eyebrows. We're going to go in with this green. Okay, you know what we're going to do? I'm going to go in with the eyeliner. We're going to take this off and we're going to add some purple. I'm kind of liking this color right here. And the next thing people kind of do is make a smoky eye. There's no black shade right here, but this is pretty much the darkest shade. I'm going to go in with this color and add it towards like the top. Okay guys, so now moving on to the lips. We're gonna add some red lip liner. some eyeshadow to kind of fill it in because I don't want to fill the whole thing in with lip liner. Okay guys, so this is how the mouth looks. Oh guys, I'm forgetting the most important part. I open it and she has the J. Okay, so this is J for Joker. Oh guys, so when you have this side right here and the other side, you can put the ha ha ha. Now for the back part is they add a little bit of black on the lip. I think I'm gonna leave it like this for the final look. Tell me not if this gives similar. But yeah, so this is gonna be look number 3, guys, for the Joker. All right, so now that we're starting off with a new fresh slate, we're gonna move on to the last makeup Halloween look, which is the skull design. The first thing that she mainly focuses on is her lips are curvy. And then I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner to make those stripes. We're gonna go in and we're gonna do the nose. And then the next thing she does is add the concealer. Okay, since the concealer is not working, I'm gonna have to go in with the eyeshadow again. And I'm gonna choose this like tannish color. Now lastly we can do the eyes. So this is the part we have to focus on. She does like a little triangle. Oh wait, did I already just eat it up? Guys, why did I actually do that really good? Back up. Wait, guys, oh my goodness. That actually doesn't look too bad. Why do I look like that from, what's her name? I'm gonna put the picture up here. But why do I actually look like her? I mean, I don't look like her, but like the eyes give that. So now what everybody else is doing is they're really just shading it in. Ooh, y'all. This side has a white side. Do you think I should make my lashes white? Guys, I don't know if I should have added... It looks a mess. And then I'm gonna add eyeliner. Wow, y'all. Should I add a cheekbone? Cause she has cheekbones right there. Okay guys, so this is look number 4, the last look, which was the skeletal design. And let me know if you guys like this one. Alright guys, so that was the end of today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below which makeup look did you like the best, and rate each one that I did, because for me, I think the first one that I did and the last one, which is the skeleton one, are my favorites. But without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!